Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll bring you this amazing video of Nigerian billionaire businessman E-Money alongside his wife as they vibe to sweet songs and melodies alongside Obi Cubana and his wife Lush. Meanwhile, as you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like, share and drop your comment right.
How you doing? You sucker in the house tonight?
Watch this video. As you can see, E-Money, his wife and Obi Cubana and also his wife are having a nice time together. So guys, until next time, we'll bring you another delightful and much interesting video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notification, like, share and drop your comments right in the comment section, because your thoughts and views on this particular video are highly welcome.